45 is the item that was postponed. It's a review of the record on a denial of by the Automotive Board. Is there a motion to uphold the appeal or to deny the appeal?
Need a motion to accept the appeal on the record? To uphold? Yeah, to uphold the decision of the Automotive Board. Councilor Member Boykins for discussion.
Mayor, well, I'm just trying to get clarification. Can I ask the city attorney just give me clarification on what this item is?
This is an appeal from a decision of the Automotive Board with respect to the conduct of business at a particular enterprise called Prestige Collision, where they were really using the enterprise as a storage lot when they had no legal authority to do so. So the decision of the Automotive Repair Board was to deny a continuing permit for this particular enterprise. The issue that Councilmember Bradford had raised last week, which was a bona fide issue, was whether or not, based on the transcript, in fact, there was a requisite majority of members voting in favor of this item. We sent out a memo of clarification showing that the minutes indeed reflected that 6 people voted. It was a 4-2 vote, therefore it was a majority vote. There was some misunderstanding because Lieutenant Hintzman was counted as a member, which would have made 7, but in fact she's not a voting member. So I believe Councilmember Bradford's questions have been answered, and it's a bona fide vote, and the administration certainly would urge council to uphold the decision of the Automotive Board.
So are we voting on this, Mayor?
Well, we need a decision to uphold the decision by the Automotive Board.
Okay.
Councilor Kubash.
Council members, if you have not read this entire transcript, I don't think you in good conscience can vote one way or the other. And if you did vote, you'd have to vote to grant the appeal if you didn't know what was going on. I've read this entire transcript at least twice. I see things in here that really show that the board at the end, there was confusion big time on the vote. I couldn't tell if there was a quorum. Even to start the meeting, there were things about this that just didn't make sense to me. There were misstatements in here by both parties. This is a business that we're going to shut down in the city of Houston based on the fact that they don't have a storage license. However, they are complying with the state law as far as the transcript appears. So they're doing what's right by state law, but we're saying that they're not following our ordinance on storage lots. The facility apparently has been cleaned up. It's under new management, or they have a new manager there. I'm always wanting to err on the side of the person who's in business instead of giving them a death penalty, unless you can show otherwise. So if you haven't read this transcript, I think you have to read it at least once to understand what the issues are. So I will be voting to support the business owner and grant his appeal.
Council member.
And make it clear when we go to vote which way the vote goes, so I know which way to get it.
So are you making a motion?
I make the motion to grant the appeal.
We still have some. Are you making the motion? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you made it.
I would like to make a motion to grant the business owner's appeal. Because he's wanting to appeal to us.
So you want to deny
Deny the rules, yes.
there has
Does
to be
that still